Hello guys, welcome to Physics Hub. Today we are going to start a new series. The name of the series is Do You Know Why? In this series, what we are going to do, we are going to look at different physical phenomena which we generally observe in our day-to-day life. So we are going to explore those phenomena. We are going to find the scientific explanation behind those phenomena. So in this first episode, we are going to discuss about, most of you have noticed that whenever we boil water to make either coffee or tea, in the very beginning we get a hiss sound from the water. Now what is the origin of this hiss sound? Why do we observe this hiss sound? So in the very beginning, hiss sound starts coming from the water, and after some time the hiss sound suddenly stops. Now what is the physics behind it? Let's check it. So in this first episode, we are going to explore or find scientific explanation behind this hiss sound of water. Before we start the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.
So guys, do you know why this hiss sound comes from the boiling water when it starts boiling? Can you see the bubbles? The bubbles are coming upward, becoming big. Yeah, becoming bigger, collating with each other, and just get vanished. So as soon as the temperature is rising, more number of bubbles are coming upward, and they are collating, and after that they are collapsing. Now you can hear this hiss sound. So what is the origin of this hiss sound? I think you must have predicted the reason. So the hiss sound is increasing now. As soon as the temperature is increasing, this hiss sound is increasing more. More and more. You can hear the sound. Temperature is rising. Hiss sound is also rising. So what is the origin of this hiss sound? What is the physics behind this hiss sound? After some time, this hiss sound will stop. Let's see. So the hiss sound is decreasing, guys, and let's wait for some more moments. Then you will see this hiss sound will stop. So you can see it's decreasing. The hiss sound is decreasing. So initially it is increasing, then it is reaching to maximum sound, then again it is decreasing. After some time this will be totally stopped. Okay, I will explain this physics. So it is stopping. You can hardly hear the sound now. So when it has stopped hissing, it means the water has reached its boiling point. Okay, so when the boiling point is reached, no hiss sound will be heard. And you can see. So I should switch it off. So I have switched it off. So what is the physics behind it? Let's try to understand this. So guys, here we have this image of a kettle and the water is filled with it. Now whenever you heat the water, you see the water layer which is immediately at this portion, bottom of the level, this will start rising in temperature. So this will get hotter and hotter. Okay, and the layers above it, which are comparatively far away from these bottom layers, they are relatively colder, and these are hotter layers. Then what will happen if you start boiling? These water bubbles will start creating. Okay, now as they are lighter, they will start rising above. These water bubbles will start rising above, and when they are going upward, they are coming in contact with the colder layer of water. Then what will happen? They will start contracting. and they will, more number of water bubbles will come like this, and they will start collapsing to each other. Okay, and after collapsing they will vanish. The hissy sound comes from the collapsing of these water bubbles. Now as soon as the temperature is rising, more number of water bubbles will come upward, and they will try to come close to the colder layer, and in this process a numerous number of water bubbles will start collapsing to each other, and the sound will increase accordingly because more number of bubbles are being collapsed now. Now after some time, when the temperature of this water reaches to its boiling point, then there are no more colder layer left in the water, so there is no bubbles to collapse, and that is why the hissy sound suddenly stops. And when the water temperature reaches to its boiling temperature, the water starts boiling ferociously. So in this way we can explain this hissy sound. I hope you got this video informative, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this, you can let me know in the comment section, and you can also suggest me what physical phenomena you want me to explain in the next video. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Unacademy is India's largest teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like UPSC, NET, GATE, IIT JAM, IIT JEE, etc. In particular, if you want to prepare for CSIR NET Physical Science exam, you can join my Unacademy Plus classes. Take any of the plan and apply our referral code PhysicsHub to get 10% discount. One subscription will allow you to watch all the live and recorded videos of all educators of all time. Here I have listed some of the great benefits of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. In particular, you get daily live classes, you get part length and full length tests, you get unlimited questions to practice, unlimited quiz, assignments and their detailed solutions, and you can also watch the videos offline if you are not able to attend the classes online. So take Unacademy Plus subscription today using our referral code PhysicsHub and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal.